So today we'll be traveling to India's widest waterfall, which is known as Chitrakoot Waterfalls, also known as India's Niagara Falls. So it is located at 38 kilometer approximately from my city Jagdalpur, which is the nearest city you can find. So you can come at Jagdalpur and visit this waterfall. But for now you can see my journey to Chitrakoot Waterfall. So let's go. So welcome to Chitrakoot. We are here at Chitrakoot right now, and this is the entry point. और यहाँ पर एक market है छोटा सा local market. This is store where you can buy some art and stuff. So this is how cool it looks. तो शिवलिंग जो आपको दिख रहा होगा काफ़ी बड़ा है. उसके जस्ट पीछे से एक छोटा सा रास्ता है, मतलब इट्स लाइक a रास्ता ओनली. तो उस रास्ते से अपन गए और वाटरफॉल की तरफ गए. तो लेट्स सी. Look at the freaking waterfall. It's amazing. We'll get closer. We cannot get too much closer, but we will get closer and make sure that you see the view. Look at the freaking view. It looks amazing.
धड़कने हैं क्यों जोर से जो तुझको अब.
Two quick facts about this waterfall कि ये 29 meters है height में और width में है ये 300 meters. Yeah, you heard that correct. Monsoon के time पे it gets 300 meter in width. Wow. Now I think we will go downside. It will be adventurous. I fucking guess. I don't know. It's been a long time since I have visited this place. And let's explore.
हुआ है तेरे यहाँ पे क्या वो.
ये इधर का एंट्री पॉइंट है डाउन साइड जाने का. This is basically a stop. People stop here. So this is the place where I used to take a rest when I was kid. बहुत जल्दी थक जाता था पहले. And now I am not exhausted. बस just showing you the location where I used to sit. Let's come. One more point where you can take a rest or maybe enjoy the view with your family. And this is the freaking view. And there's one resort here, so like if someone is coming from out of station and wanna stay at this waterfall, you can freaking do that too. It's amazing. There are a lot of spaces here. It's vacant now because nobody came or whatever. This is the high time people come, but I don't know what's the reason people are not here right now. Whatever. This is the starting of like getting down.
Is you are the reason why I'm still hanging on.
So apparently there's a nature trail here. We can go there. I don't know. I haven't visited. It's a new thing here. Let's go there. Yeah. So this is the trail point. Let's start from here. Huh? So this is my face when I say इसके भी पैसे देने हैं क्या? So yeah, it costed me 10 rupees. See the map first. It's a welcome gate and then gate 1 from where we are entering right now. और वहाँ पर gate 2 है sitting area. You can actually pause the video and look what it offers.
हौले से धीमे से
Got that right? पेड़ ही हमारे सच्चे मित्र हैं.
मुझको बाहों में भर लो ना तुम नरम सी.
So we are going this park side actually just to show you guys because I'm not interested anyway. It's so sunny out here, but still we will go for you guys. Let's go. So this is the fucking freaking park. We are here. It's so sunny, that's why it's not too good, and the vibe is also not too good. I don't know why, but it is the ultimate thing which you can see. This is a kind of tunnel thing, and then there's a sitting area, and yeah, this is the ultimate thing here. तो सारा जगह अपन ने एक्सप्लोर नहीं करा. वी आर राइट नाउ हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स द रिवर साइड. सो अपेरेंटली वी हैव रीच्ड द डेस्टिनेशन एंड वी आर जस्ट फ्यू स्टेप्स अवे फ्रॉम डाउन. सो पहुंच गए अपन यहाँ पर. अब अपन को एक स्पॉट ढूंढना है जहाँ पर हम बैठ के स्नैक्स खा पाएँ. और व्यू उस साइड है. व्यू दिखा दें. So you can see view is there. We can go that side to show you guys, and then we will like find a place to eat stuff.
हे देयर, तो यहाँ पिकनिक एरिया तो अपन को मिला नहीं, सो वी थॉट कि गो टू टॉप एंड ईट. देयर इज अनदर रिजॉर्ट एरिया विच यू हैवंट सीन येट, सो वी विल गो देयर एंड ईट स्टफ.
अब अपन टॉप पे तो पहुंच चुके हैं. उसके बाद अब अपन पिकनिक स्पॉट ढूंढ रहे हैं. ये एक्चुअली बैक साइड है उस तरफ का, और इधर रिजॉर्ट एरिया है, तो रिजॉर्ट एरिया की तरफ जाएंगे. वाओ, लुक एट द. अपेरेंटली आगे जाना मना है, मे बी ओनली फॉर रिजॉर्ट पीपल.
सो क्विक स्टोरी टाइम. तो गार्ड ने बोला, ओए इधर नहीं जा सकते, इधर बस रिजॉर्ट वाले जाते हैं. तो मेरे खुरापाती दिमाग को ये आया कि मैं कहता हूँ ऐसे तू जानता नहीं है मेरा बाप कौन है. बट इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट आई थॉट लेट्स स्नीक आउट फ्रॉम द कॉन्फ्रेंस हॉल एरिया.
We are trying to sneak out from this area, and we have come across this.
कॉन्फ्रेंस हॉल विच आई वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट, एक्चुअली दिस इज द बैक साइड. अपन फ्रंट की तरफ से थोड़ा साइड से आए एंड नाउ वी हैव रीच्ड द बैक साइड एंड नाउ द जर्नी गोज.
We somehow ran from there. Actually, he was watching us. We somehow ran and we managed to come here. We got a sneak fucking out here too.
And finally we are going to reach to the picnic spot.
This is the place we decided to eat stuff, but like now we are confused whether to eat here or that. At that place, I guess we will decide that place because that's amazing, I guess. Yeah, let's do there. It's just a normal garden area, and there's no one around here, तो कोई मतलब नहीं है. Let's go there and eat with the view, which I'll show you for sure. Wow, this area is also amazing. Like you can get this view, which is also worth sneaking. I don't suggest you guys to sneak here because it's not too dangerous, but like you gotta do it anyway. It's upon you. See, we didn't spoil this place we are leaving now, and we didn't fucking spoil anything. So don't come at us कि गंदा कर दिया. नहीं, गंदा नहीं करा, बिल्कुल नहीं करा.
And finally we are leaving this place.
The fuck, first chaos came in our way. फ्यूल ख़त्म हो गया था. फ्यूल लेने के लिए मेरे को एक जगह रुकना पड़ा. फॉर्चुनेटली एक ऐसे लोकल स्टोर में मतलब फ्यूल मिल गया 120 लीटर पे, and we are saved now. The other guy with me and my vehicle is far away, far away. Let's fucking fill it and go to home. And by the way, I hope you freaking enjoyed this vlog.
I'll be fucked up if you get me right here.